I'm Ron Buzzio. I'm here at Cotton Patch Marina. Behind me is Blancs Creek. I don't know if you're aware of it, but the North Carolina Department of Water Resources has recently issued a permit to Martin Marietta to develop an open pit mine near Vanceboro. This Blancs Creek is a recreational area for the residents here and for county residents. It's a great fishing spot for the local residents here and for the residents of Beaufort County and for people beyond that come here to enjoy this waterway. Two agencies in this state during the permit process have spoken out against it, the Environmental Protection Agency and some of the wildlife agencies in this state. The intention is that if this mine opens, it will be 649 acres, open pit, that could impact 3 aquifers that feed water to the county residents, and also at the swampy area, the headwaters of this stream, this creek, which is 5 miles down to the river behind me, will pump at least 12 million gallons of wastewater from that mine into this river. I ask you, what would be the impact on this river? What would be the impact on the fishing? What would be the impact on a recreational area that services the local residents, county residents, and people beyond this area? What could be the impact on our drinking water for the residents of Beaufort County? The elected officials of this county have to stand with these residents, have to stand with the residents of this county in order to address this issue. Maybe it's not a county issue for the permitting, but it's a county issue of what the impact could be on one of our recreational areas. It's not bringing any jobs to this area. The 11 jobs that they talk about are people from previous mine that work at a current mine now. Imagine a 649-acre open pit mine near Vanceboro, and then they're going to pipe 12 million gallons of water into the stream. What will be the impact? I pledge that I will stand with the residents of this area. I will stand with the residents of Beaufort County. Please vote for me on November 4th. I'm Ron Buzzio, running for County Commissioner. Thank you.